Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Katta step by step. Begin by mixing atta, salt, and water until you have a pliable dough, then let it rest briefly. While dough rests, finely chop green chilies, cilantro, and measure spices so assembly is quick. Heat a skillet on medium and keep oil nearby for frying, then roll small discs and prepare to assemble the katta with spicy chutney and fillings. Mix and knead the dough until smooth, then rest it to relax the gluten, which makes rolling easier and prevents shrinkage. Divide the dough into equal balls and flatten each slightly before rolling to uniform 6-inch discs, using a light dusting of flour to avoid tears. Keep your motions gentle and even, and maintain a medium-hot skillet so the flatbreads puff lightly and develop golden brown spots for the best texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which listens to voice control and cleans while you cook, so crumbs from katta are gone fast. It's a nice time saver that keeps your kitchen tidy between batches, and it even maps rooms for smarter cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble each katta by spreading a thin layer of chutney or masala, adding cilantro and chopped chilies, then folding into the classic shape for even filling distribution. Fry in hot oil until golden and crisp, flipping carefully so both sides brown evenly and the interior cooks through. Drain excess oil on paper towels and press gently to set the shape, then serve hot with extra chutney or yogurt for contrast and balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.